that you could be making $500 a week without lifting a finger, seriously. No, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme. I'm talking about harnessing the power of AI. That's right, artificial intelligence isn't just some futuristic concept, it's here right now, and it's ready to make you money while you sleep. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 AI tools that can do the heavy lifting for you so you can sit back, relax, and watch the income roll in. We're talking about building a true passive income stream, the kind of income that doesn't require you to trade time for money. Whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5, build a side hustle, or just earn some extra cash, these AI tools can help you get there. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of AI-powered income. First up, we have Copy.ai, your new secret weapon in the world of copywriting. Now you might be thinking, copywriting? That sounds like a lot of work. And you'd be right, if you were doing it the old-fashioned way. But with Copy.ai, you can kiss writer's block goodbye and say hello to high-quality content in minutes. Think about it. How much time do you spend crafting the perfect social media post, writing engaging product descriptions, or composing compelling emails? It's a time-consuming process, but it doesn't have to be. Copy.ai takes all of that effort and automates it for you. Here's how it works. You sign up for a free account, choose the type of content you need, input some basic information about your topic, and let the AI do its magic. It's really that simple. Need a catchy Instagram caption about your new coffee blend? Copy.ai has got you covered. Need a persuasive product description for your latest e-commerce listing? Copy.ai can handle it. But here's where it gets really interesting. Imagine taking this AI-powered copywriting and turning it into a lucrative side hustle. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teeming with businesses and individuals who are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality written content. With Copy.ai in your arsenal, you can easily offer your services as an AI copywriter and start raking in the dough. Think about it. Even if you land just one client per week paying you $100 for your services, that's an extra $400 per month, or $4,800 per year. And the beauty of it is, you can scale this up as much or as little as you want. Land 2 clients per week and you're already at $800 per month. The possibilities are endless. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even package your Copy.ai skills into digital products like templates or courses and sell them on platforms like Gumroad. This way, you're creating a truly passive income stream where you're earning money even while you sleep. So, if you're looking for a way to leverage the power of AI to boost your income, Copy.ai is a no-brainer. It's easy to use, incredibly powerful, and has the potential to generate significant income for you, all on autopilot. Next up, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube channels with Pictory.ai. Now I know what you're thinking. A YouTube channel without a face? How does that even work? Trust me, it's not as crazy as it sounds, and it's actually becoming one of the most popular ways to generate passive income online. Here's the deal. Creating content for YouTube can be incredibly time-consuming. You have to film videos, edit them, come up with engaging titles and thumbnails, and then promote them across social media. It's a full-time job, and for many people, it's just not feasible. But what if I told you that you could create high-quality YouTube videos without ever having to show your face or even record your voice? That's where Pictory.ai comes in. This powerful AI tool allows you to transform your existing blog posts or scripts into engaging video content in a matter of minutes. Here's how it works. You simply copy and paste your blog post or script into Pictory.ai, choose from a variety of video styles and templates, customize the scenes with images and videos, and even add voiceovers, all without ever having to touch a video editing software. Imagine being able to take your existing blog content and repurpose it into engaging YouTube videos that can reach a whole new audience. Or even better, imagine offering this service to other bloggers who are struggling to keep up with the demands of video content creation. The income potential here is huge. You can monetize your faceless YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. And if you're offering this service to others, you can charge a premium for your AI-powered video creation skills. Think about it. If you're charging just $50 per video and you're creating just 2 videos per day, that's an extra $100 per day, or $3,000 per month. And the best part is, once you've set up your channel and created a few videos, The income becomes truly passive as your videos continue to generate views and revenue for months, even years, to come. So, if you're looking for a way to tap into the massive potential of YouTube without the hassle of traditional video creation, Pictory.ai is the perfect solution. It's easy to use, incredibly powerful, and has the potential to generate significant passive income for you, all while you sleep. Chapter 3. ZimWriter, your 24/7 SEO-powered blogging machine. Finally, let's talk about ZimWriter, the AI-powered tool that's going to turn your blog into a 24/7 SEO-powered money-making machine. Now you might be thinking, blogging? Isn't that a bit old school? And you'd be right if you were doing it the old-fashioned way. But with ZimWriter, you can say goodbye to writer's block, keyword research headaches, and the endless grind of content creation. Here's the thing, blogging is still one of the most effective ways to drive traffic to your website, generate leads, and build a loyal audience. But it's also incredibly time-consuming, especially if you're trying to do it all yourself. ZimWriter changes all of that. This powerful AI tool uses the latest in SEO technology to generate high-quality, optimized blog posts that are designed to rank high in Google search results and drive traffic to your website. Here's how it works. You simply input your desired keywords and let ZimWriter do its magic. The AI will then generate a comprehensive SEO-optimized blog post that is tailored to your specific niche and target audience. We're talking 1,000+ word in-depth articles that are chock full of valuable information and designed to rank high in Google search results. Imagine being able to pump out high-quality blog posts on a daily basis without having to lift a finger. With ZimWriter, you can finally escape the content creation hamster wheel and focus on other aspects of your business, like building relationships with your audience, promoting your products or services, or simply enjoying your newfound free time. But here's where it gets really interesting. Imagine taking this AI-powered blogging power and turning it into a lucrative side hustle. There are countless businesses out there that are desperate for high-quality, SEO-optimized content, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. With ZimWriter, you can easily offer your services as an AI blog writer and start generating a steady stream of income. And the beauty of it is you can batch create articles and schedule them in advance, so your blog is working for you 24/7 even while you sleep. Think about it. Even if you're charging just $50 per article and you're selling just one article per day, that's an extra $1,500 per month. And as you build up your client base and increase your prices, the income potential is virtually limitless. So if you're looking for a way to leverage the power of AI to build a passive income stream, ZimWriter is the perfect solution. It's easy to use, incredibly powerful, and has the potential to generate significant income for you, all while you sleep. So there you have it, 3 powerful AI tools that can help you earn $500 per week or more on Autopilot. Whether you're looking to quit your job, build a side hustle, or simply earn some extra cash, these tools can help you get there. The future of income is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Start exploring these tools today and discover the incredible income potential that awaits you. Smash that like if you learned something new. Subscribe for more AI-powered side hustles. See you in the next video.